The Samsung Galaxy Z44 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z43. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z44, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z44 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. Samsung will host a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 10, which is this coming Wednesday. The online-only event will start streaming at 9 a.m. ET or 6 a.m. PT. We have got a guide on how to watch the Samsung Unpacked live stream. We're pretty sure the Galaxy Z44 will debut at that time. In addition to the Fold, we are expecting to see Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 at this event. We may see the new foldable debut with a different name, though one source is claiming the phone will be known as the Galaxy Fold 4, with the Z being removed due to its unfortunate connections with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Samsung already did this with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in certain countries, so it wouldn't surprise us to see it unify the name of its new foldable around the world. If Samsung is serious about making foldables mainstream, it needs to follow the example of its own Galaxy Z Flip 3 and make the price closer of that of more conventional flagship phones. The possibility of 128GB Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes this move seems possible. The main side effect of watching content on foldable phones is that your viewing experience can sometimes be spoiled by the obvious creases on the screen. We don't expect the crease to disappear, but it would be nice to see it fade into the background a bit more, just like Galaxy Z Fold 4 rumors are tipping. By the nature of folding the main display in half, it's going to be tricky to get a foldable phone to be especially thin. However, the number one complaint of people we showed the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that it's too thick and bulky to carry around. We'd like to see the Z Fold 4 shape a few more fractions of an inch of its total size. The Z Fold 3 starts at a disadvantage by having to power two displays, including one that's the size of a small tablet. We saw under 8 hours of battery life in our testing, and it would like to see closer to 10 hours through a combination of perhaps a larger battery and other efficiency gain.